Buying a car in Canada is an exciting milestone. With so many choices and steps, the process can feel overwhelming. This guide provides a clear, step-by-step approach so you can make a confident and informed decision. Start your journey by researching the right vehicle for your needs. Consider your lifestyle, fuel efficiency, safety features, and how much you're willing to spend. Use the April 20th, 10 rule to set a smart budget. A 20% down payment, 4-year financing maximum, and monthly costs below 10% of your income. Check resale values and safety ratings from trusted sources to understand long-term costs. After narrowing your options, schedule test drives to experience how each car handles. Focus on comfort, visibility, braking, acceleration, and ease of using technology features. A test drive can reveal insights that aren't obvious from research alone. With a preferred vehicle selected, review your financing options. Get pre-approved through a bank or credit union, or compare dealership offers. Review interest rates, loan terms, and monthly payments. Bring necessary documents like proof of income and identification. Pre-approval can give you an advantage when negotiating. Before finalizing your decision, have the vehicle inspected by a certified mechanic to identify any hidden problems, especially if buying used. Request a vehicle history report to check for major accidents, a clean title, and regular maintenance. If you have a vehicle to trade in, the dealer will assess its value and offer you a price, which can be used as a down payment. Selling privately could bring a higher return, but requires more effort. When you agree on a price and financing, review the sales contract carefully. Ensure all details, price, loan terms, warranties, and extras, are clearly listed. Ask questions if anything is unclear before signing. Register your new vehicle by submitting ownership documents and identification at your local licensing office. Pay the registration fees and complete a safety inspection if required. Arrange insurance coverage so it is active before you drive the vehicle. Compare quotes to find the best coverage for your needs. Before you leave the dealership, inspect your new car for any issues and ensure all features work as promised. Collect all essential documents such as the bill of sale, registration, warranty details, and the owner's manual. Once everything is in order, you can confidently drive away in your new vehicle. Buying a car is a significant investment. Each step, from research to delivery, helps you make a smart, satisfying purchase. By staying informed and prepared, you can avoid surprises and enjoy peace of mind on the road. Safe and happy driving on your new journey. Subscribe for more tips on vehicle ownership and driving tests.